Welcome to Davey Answers Tough Math Questions.
Yay!
Starring
Davis Green.
How old are you?
5.5.
Okay, and what grade do you want to go into next year?
First.
Yes. Okay, Davey, what's 1 plus 1?
2.
What's 2 plus 2?
4.
What's 4 plus 4?
8.
What's 8 squared?
64.
All right. What's 64 minus 100?
31.
Oh, so close.
41?
No. Holden?
Negative 21?
Davis.
Negative 36.
Yes. And what grade are you in? What grade are you in, Holden?
He said 64 minus
100
100.
is negative 36.
Okay, let's give you another one,
46 would
Davey.
be 110.
Okay, Davey. What's 30 minus 40?
Negative 10.
Okay, what's 35 minus 40?
Negative 5.
What's 5 times 4?
20.
What's negative 5 times 4?
Negative 20.